Hybrid animals coming up to play. Hey guys, what's going on? Mega Rooster here, and welcome back to another video. Yes, another video with me. Yeah, we're gonna, a juicy video. Today we're gonna play a new game that I just downloaded called Hybrid Animals. I haven't played it yet, so I have no idea what it is. I believe you guys create any animal you like, and then you get to do loads of others. Whoa, oh, you could just hold it now. Oh, I'm spinning it around. Oh, get deep in that bush. New game. Select a father. So, this is a bit with... You have to have a T-Rex. Fuck yeah. A hamburger. Shit. Horse. Guitar. I'm looking at you ask guys, because, yeah, I'm gonna have a T-Rex. With Santa. So Santa equals okay guys, just really I agree now you get to walk around the place. And then you walk around the place. I think like leveling up. Yeah, I'm level 2. Run speed. Attack speed, power and dodge. Damage. Okay. Oh, I thought one on. Healthy Jan. I want to get that up. 1 minute. Oh, I do no damage. Fucking right. And this is how you kill them, guys. You only need to click on enemy once to target it. Your creature will attack you. I'm dead. Great. Oh. But I'm just going to choose now. Randomly, it's going to choose randomly. I'm not looking. Okay, I'll accept that. Well, please don't hurt me. I'm a nice man. So what I have, we have infantries. I want to be able to get places fast. Don't hurt me! This is a cool game actually, guys. I did get wood and I could max health. Only level up like maybe
My dear father built the world's richest farm. Hey!
Need help? Oops, so we're back. Sorry about that. Yeah, just a little. Let's get some wood. So guys, it's my first episode. Let's go to inventory. Crafting. Oh, cool! You actually animal. You can craft pickaxes and stuff. This is quite a cool game, actually. I'm gonna level up to get to the next raid. Okay, level 6. Yes, already. Yes. I really want to go fast, so that's gonna be my I need sticks. I need loads of the sticks. Give me all those sticks. You know, I'll talk about the sticks. I need to try and attack things too. See, there's other people around. I think they're actually real players in real life. So, level up. I want to do more damage. Okay. Click enemy. Oh, frick yeah! Oh, oh, no, I'm very sorry. Miss, I'm very sorry. Please don't attack me. Oh, I just wasted my enemy. Stay away from me. I hate you. Stay away, help. Please. Oh, no, I don't want to attack that. Fuck you. Oh. Not your enemy, missus. I'm just a friend. Ugh. No! Stop it! You naughty thing! Yes. Miss, you're missing me. You're missing me. Load up. Load up quickly. Load up quickly. Load up. Oh, the leading damage. No, I'm about to die. I'm sorry. Leave me alone, please. I didn't do anything to you. I hate you. Weird thing. Yes. Slowly killing me. Was not the time to do that. Can't stop it. I do not want to die painfully. Stop chasing me, please. Don't do anything to you. She knows that. Okay. He's gonna die. Don't you worry, he's gonna die. A painful death when I get him. You stupid animal. Run, please run. Run, animal. Okay, alright. Come on. Let me charge up the fire. It'll be ready now. Charge up the fire. Oh, you guys, he's nearly dead. Okay, he's gonna die. Run. Yes, one more. Be good. Yes, I survived. Health regen. I need way more of that. Health regen is so important to me. Now if I go to the market, remove ads. Your gems, none. Inventory, crafting. Stick hut. No, I think I might. Yes, please. A wooden pickaxe. This should Huh? Oh, powers, cool. Quick one spot 2. Frick yeah. Wait, I'm just gonna find someone. For God's sake, I'm gonna use it. Kill. What the? Oh no, it only loads once. Okay, this is a very bad idea. Damn you, elephant. Damn you. Now I have to go through all of this again just to kill an elephant. I didn't even fucking die, you piece of junk, and no one likes you. Can I have any help from down here? Guys, hey, you see your friend in the house. What do? Leave me alone, you nasty piece of... No! sakes. Start again. You piece of shitty piece of crap. Okay, I'm just gonna go down because my eyes, no. We have a human. Oh, I don't want a human. Oh no, I gotta see something else, guys, because my eyes I choose a ostrich. Except wizard, because my eyes, what's it gonna be? A hippo. What is this gonna turn out like? Please. Except I got the ability heal. This is just stupid. It's like, will you attack? Can you actually attack me? Scorpion? First, I need health regen. And max health. And that's next. I'm gonna get all my max regen out of the way so then I don't have to, do it again, guys. We have 3 more minutes left of the video. Max regen, so if I do attack something, I'll just regen. Plus my health, special attack, I'll just keep on getting more health and more health until I can't. Yeah. My attack needs to go up too. So my regen can go all the way. Regen is up, guys. Let's get some wood when we're there. Get him. YouTube just sent me a video. You didn't see anything. What time is it? 2014, guys. So we added 2 minutes. 2016. Yes. Now we need. After this, I think I might max my health. I'm gonna need to get everything to 4. That's what I'm gonna try and do. Max health. Then I'll be really tanky. That's really good. But I need to upgrade. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I might end the episode right here. And in the meanwhile, in the middle of the episodes, I might gather up some wood, get the pickaxe, try and figure out how to use a pickaxe. Because if you remember when I first did it, I didn't know how to use a pickaxe. So I'll just figure out how to do everything, most of the things. I won't do anything big like fight anyone. I might level up a little bit, just to, so then we'd have to do that all next episode. And yeah, guys, I think the end of the episode is right here. I hope you did enjoy this episode. If you did, please leave a massive like and a comment down below saying if you liked it. If you do comment, I'll do maybe a shout out in a shout out video. And yeah, thank you very much, guys. Yeah, guys, and I'll see you all later. Bye. Keep rooting. Yeah. Please subscribe, please comment to be a fire god today. Thank you very much. And I'm going to end now eating a twig. Stay back, that's mine. Have a problem? That's fine. That's mine.